Adam here, just going to bring you a quick Celsius update. There's a lot coming to light over the last 24 hours, so I want to run through that and what Simon Dixons saying. If you haven't already, don't forget to like the channel, subscribe, and comment if you've got any questions, and we'll go from there. Cheers, guys. Just going to play this 2-minute video first, which was about 8 months ago of Peter Schiff and Alex Wyszynski. Watch Alex Wyszynski's face and his body language as this video goes through. Okay, let's play this video.
Make your margin payment.
Bitcoin pays dividends, Peter. Bitcoin pays dividend. Price Celsius.
How does Bitcoin pay a dividend? How does Bitcoin pay a dividend?
Because we earn yield.
How do you earn yield on Bitcoin? What do you do to generate income on that Bitcoin?
I'm happy to spend an hour with you.
Yeah, you're trading it. You got to be taking tremendous amount of risk. The Bitcoin itself doesn't generate any yield.
It does, just like any other asset can generate yield. Gold.
No, but what earnings does the Bitcoin generate?
Gold generates 5.5% at Celsius yield.
No,
tokenized
what
gold
are you doing to generate that? You must be taking tremendous risk to generate those returns. Of course you are.
Okay,
you're not. Of course you must be.
Look, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just explaining that this is.
Interest rates are practically zero. How can you get 5% interest on gold?
It's an amazing opportunity for people to unbank themselves, right? Take advantage of this market.
You know who also had an amazing opportunity? Madoff. Bernie Madoff had an amazing opportunity too.
Alex, we want to bring in another question for you.
Even your own son chose Bitcoin, and
he's 19. He's 19. Yes, okay.
Yeah, and
there's a theory out
endorsement.
there.
Yeah, what does he know?
Peter, there's a theory out there that between you and your son, you've got this whole thing worked out, that he plays Bitcoin, you play gold, and it's actually quite ingenious. And a lot of people applaud you for that.
Your son is making you look like a gold
money.
All
right,
I recognize
Alex,
what gold is.
I have some serious
but it's not like
questions
I've got everything I own in gold. But I recognize that gold is real money, and that gold is the answer to the fiat currency problem. And I believe the world will return to a gold standard. I mean, the norm throughout history is that we're going to be on a gold standard. We will never be on a Bitcoin standard.
It's a new gold standard called Bitcoin.
No, it's not. It's a fool's gold.
Let's do this again in a year and take a look and see what happened. Okay.
Well, that is one of the questions for Peter, actually, gentlemen. That is.
Yeah, guys, just a short video there. I'm of the opinion, I don't think we're going to return to a gold standard. I think gold does a great job of moving money across time, but not across space. And obviously fiat does the opposite. Fiat does a great job of moving money across space, but not across time. And I think Bitcoin does both. So I don't agree with that. I think Bitcoin will eventually become the global reserve asset of the world. I think we're in the modern era. I think it's digital, and obviously, I just can't see us going backwards to the gold standard. It's been tried and tested, and it's failed every time because governments get greedy. They print more money. They lie about how much gold they're holding in the vaults. So yeah, I just don't see that myself. I think the people are going to want something else. And even if they do go back, people will still run to Bitcoin. And it doesn't mean that I don't advocate buying gold. I just believe that Bitcoin is the new digital version of gold, gold 2.0. So, Simon Dixon said here, for the record, Peter Schiff was right about Wyszynski, but wrong about Bitcoin. When Mt. Gox collapsed, he tried to blame it on BTC and told people not to buy that too. It's interesting to look, though, what's been going on over the last 24 hours. If you look at Simon Dixon, so, for example, he's come out saying basically... got the notes down here. Worst case scenario here, Celsius cannot reopen without new licenses. All crypto sold, left with some USD on non-sell balances. So basically, if you got to sell, you're finito. Exchanges delist sell, making it illiquid, and ever delays because of legal cases which will delay withdrawals. Best case, Celsius relates total transparency on their numbers and no issues other than liquidity. That's the best case scenario. There is a middle case as well. You can see that on Simon Dixon's tweets. But if you look here, Simon's saying a few things here, so just looking like what's being said over the last 24 hours. Boo, boo. So Celsius has hired new lawyers, which obviously the plot thickens. Are they moving into some kind of Chapter 11 style bankruptcy? Simon Dixon saying a few things here. So I already gave the board that plan for them to execute. It requires transparency on the financials for users to agree. So obviously BlockFi were transparent, Voyager have been transparent, and it doesn't seem like Celsius are being transparent. So if you carry on going down, yeah, it's an interesting. So hedge funds and collateralized, is a good one. Yeah, so yeah, Simon Dixon's basically saying people have asked him why he changed his tone in the last few days, and he's changed his tone to more aggressive. He did not prepare for Alex Mashinsky restructuring the company in a way that would hide the financials of the business. In his honest opinion, tried to make him a director to shut him up and take him down with Mashinsky. So obviously it seems Simon Dixon's getting a bit more aggressive in his approach now. It looks like something shady's going on in the background. Let us know your thoughts in the comment box. Let me know what you think. But he said a few things like, there's another one here in the last few hours, not legal advice. This is one reason why I was preparing and gathering community support with huge resistance. I told everyone to prepare early. We needed a better plan to prevent the worst case happening and put depositors first. I believe we have a much better plan and prepared. And then there was one with, was a Corey, I don't know if I can see it, if it's here. Swan Bitcoin, yeah. Obviously, he's in favour of depositors in any business who's been misled by a lying CEO and false marketing promises getting made whole before any equity holders. That goes for Celsius or any business. People don't need to talk to each other to have the same correct view. Let us know your thoughts on this, guys. It's an interesting debate here between Seyfuddin Mashinsky by Peter McCormack in 2019. Take a look at that as well. Like I said, something's going on in the background. I think we should have Simon Dixons back, like I said. I think he's doing his best to obviously protect the depositors. Obviously, if we can get behind him, he might be able to do something. He might be able to step in and call a board meeting, like I said in previous videos. Let me know your thoughts. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment if you've got any questions, want to ask anything. Don't forget to like. Don't forget as well, we're doing a 7-week, 7-module crypto course. 7 modules, 7 weeks, a video a day. Check that out. We're now moving into the final lesson of module 3 today. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and catch you in the next video.